Gaming keyboard versus mechanical keyboard. Which is right for you? Choosing between a gaming keyboard and a mechanical keyboard can be confusing, especially since many gaming keyboards are also mechanical. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. 1. What is a gaming keyboard? A gaming keyboard is designed with features to enhance your gaming experience. Key characteristics include RGB lighting, customizable backlighting for aesthetics and visibility in low-light gaming setups, macro keys, programmable keys to execute complex commands with a single press, high polling rate, faster input recognition for competitive gaming, anti-ghosting and N-key rollover, ensures accurate detection of simultaneous key presses. Ideal for gamers seeking a feature-packed keyboard tailored for immersive and competitive play. 2. What is a mechanical keyboard? A mechanical keyboard uses individual mechanical switches under each key, offering tactile feedback, satisfying key presses with distinct tactile bumps or clicks. Durability. Switches last longer than membrane keyboards. Customization. Swappable keycaps and a variety of switch types. E, F, G, linear, tactile, clicky. Versatility. Suitable for typing, programming, and gaming. Ideal for professionals, typists, and gamers who prioritize precision, durability, and typing comfort. Key differences. Feature gaming. Keyboard. Mechanical keyboard. Purpose optimized for gaming performance. Versatile for typing and gaming switches. Can be mechanical or membrane, always mechanical. Price range broad. Basic to premium options. Broad. Entry level to enthusiast. Which one should you choose? Gaming enthusiasts. Go for a gaming keyboard with mechanical switches. This gives you the best of both worlds, features for gaming and the reliability of mechanical switches. Non-gamers or professionals. A mechanical keyboard without gaming-specific features might be better. Focus on the type of switch that suits your typing style. Cherry MX Brown for tactile feedback. Conclusion. A gaming keyboard is ideal if you're into gaming and want dedicated features like RGB lighting and macros. On the other hand, a mechanical keyboard is versatile, offering excellent performance for typing and casual gaming. If possible, test keyboards in store to find your preferred switch type and layout. Recommended gaming keyboard and mechanical keyboard. Buying link in the description. Go and buy now. Which is right for you?